And only by mere serendipity may we find something like this: the invasion of Great Britain and the Canary Islands by the troopers of terror. Terror was a really terrible animal, a human animal that will go around parroting and parroting and parroting, making the parrot, you know. So there it was, really strange. They were going around through Britain and the Canary Islands. No more than that. So it was like, why are those people? What's the connection? What's the connection? One is on the north, the other is on the south. What's the connection? No results. Science sometimes may disappoint you. But nevertheless, life goes on and on and on and on and on.